Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Autoland North in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon with the 6-speed manual. So I've driven a couple of these. I think I've even driven the manual. But it's always nice. Ooh, I like that tonneau cover. It's always nice to drive a manual, especially when I haven't driven one in a little bit, even though I think I drove one last week. Whatever. Window switches are in here, so when the doors are off, you can still drop the windows. See if anybody gets that joke. No, in reality, it's mounted there for less wiring to disconnect. Hard top. Six speed. Clutch is very, very light. Easy to modulate. Actually, one thing I have never done is start off. We're in neutral. So now we're in 4 high. Now we're in neutral. Get in 4 low. Now you're in low. So, never driven a manual in 4 low. Let's see. Ha! Oh, that is just a crawler gear. Too high. Good to go. Oh, it feels good to drive a manual. I need to buy a stick shift car again. Love the Hellcat, but I hate automatic. It's just not as fun. Pentastar V6. On the highway, a little bit of wind noise. Big off-road tires are going to be a little bit noisy. It's amazing driving this compared to the previous gen, like the JK Wranglers, and how different they drive. For example, these, I just did 80 miles an hour and I didn't feel like I was gonna die. They drive very similar to your older Wranglers, but they're definitely more refined. You know, and the shifter, if you've ever driven like JK Wranglers, whoo, baby. No. Is it? Yeah, JK. This is JL? Yeah. Well, this is a Gladiator, not a Wrangler. It's close enough. On the brakes. And 1, 2, 3 green light. 1, 2, 3 red light. Well, that works. Oh man, my turn-in road's closed. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, I'm an idiot. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.